Hello everyone. Welcome back to Investment Diary. Today, we are going to discuss the battle of future of brain technology. We will focus on the two companies here, Neuralink, owned by Elon Musk, and Synchron, backed by Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. Before we begin, appreciate the early like and subscribe. Let's dive in. Who is Neuralink? Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by entrepreneur and inventor Elon Musk. The company's goal is to develop advanced brain-computer interface, BCI, technology that will allow humans to communicate directly with computers and other devices using their thoughts. The company is based in San Francisco, California and was founded in 2016. Neuralink's technology involves implanting tiny electrodes into the brain, which can be used to record and stimulate neural activity. The electrodes are connected to a small device implanted behind the ear, which communicates wirelessly with a computer or other device. The goal of this technology is to create a seamless interface between humans and computers, allowing people to control devices and access information using their thoughts. The company has made several public presentations about their technology, including a live demonstration in 2019 where a pig named Gertrude had a Neuralink device implanted in her brain. During the demonstration, the company showed how they could track Gertrude's neural activity and use it to predict her movements. Neuralink has also discussed the potential applications of their technology, which include helping people with spinal cord injuries regain movement, allowing people with disabilities to control computers and other devices, and even enabling people to communicate telepathically. The company has stated that they believe their technology could eventually be used to treat a wide range of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and epilepsy. In addition to developing their technology, Neuralink is also focused on creating a high bandwidth, low latency communication system that can transmit data between the brain and computers at high speeds. The company is working on developing advanced machine learning algorithms to help decode and interpret neural signals in real time, which will be critical for creating a seamless interface between the brain and computers. Who is Synchron? Synchron is a medical device company focused on developing advanced brain-computer interface, BCI, technology to help restore movement and communication abilities to people with paralysis. The company is based in Silicon Valley, California and was founded in 2012 by neurosurgeon Dr. Thomas Oxley. Synchron is backed by Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. Synchron's main technology is the stentrode, which is an implantable device that can be used to help people with paralysis control computers, smartphones, and other devices using their thoughts. The stentrode is designed to be implanted in the blood vessels in the brain and is controlled through a wireless system. The device is minimally invasive, with no need for open brain surgery, and can be implanted in a single procedure. The stentrode works by recording electrical signals from the brain and transmitting them wirelessly to a computer or other device. The device can be used to control a range of applications, including communication devices, wheelchair navigation, and even robotic limbs. Synchron has also developed non-invasive brain stimulation therapies for a range of neurological conditions. Synchron has conducted several clinical trials to test the safety and efficacy of the stentrode. In one study, the company implanted the device in 3 patients with paralysis, who were then able to control a range of devices using their thoughts. The study demonstrated the potential of the stentrode to help restore movement and communication abilities to people with paralysis. In addition to the stentrode, Synchron is also working on developing other advanced neurotechnology devices, including a minimally invasive device for deep brain stimulation therapy. The company is focused on developing technology that can help people with a range of neurological conditions, including stroke, spinal cord injuries, and multiple sclerosis. Is Synchron the next big competitor with Neuralink? Synchron and Neuralink are both companies that are developing technologies focused on improving brain function and addressing neurological disorders, but they have different approaches and target different patient populations. Synchron's main technology is the stentrode, which is an implantable device that can be used to help restore movement and communication abilities to people with paralysis. The stentrode is designed to be implanted in the blood vessels in the brain and is controlled through a wireless system. Synchron's other technologies include non-invasive brain stimulation therapies for a range of neurological conditions. On the other hand, Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, is developing a brain-computer interface, BCI, technology that involves implanting electrodes directly into the brain. The goal of Neuralink's technology is to create a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence AI, by allowing the brain to interface directly with computers and other devices. While both Synchron and Neuralink are working on cutting-edge technologies for the brain, they have different approaches and target different patient populations. Synchron's focus is on restoring function for people with neurological disorders, while Neuralink's focus is on creating a more seamless integration between humans and AI. It's important to note that the field of brain-computer interfaces is still in its early stages, and it remains to be seen which companies will emerge as the leading players in the space. Both Synchron and Neuralink are innovative companies that are pushing the boundaries of what is possible with brain technology, and they are likely to continue to be important players in the field in the coming years.